Hi, this is just a little tip on how to mount your cling stamp sets onto your cling stickies here. So when you get your stamp set, you'll have a sheet of the clings, you'll have your stamps, and you need to be able to adhere them onto you. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So you're going to take your stamp one by one, take them out of their background. You're going to have a little piece of protective film here. Just make sure you only get this and not this, because otherwise you're going to damage the foam on the side. Just get rid of that one. Okay, then you need to find your image, which is here. Again, you've got some protective film to get rid of. So each one, I don't know if you can see, each one has got a cut halfway through on the protective film. So you find that, you bend it towards it, and it'll help lift the edges. And then put it down. You've got your cling, your actual stamp here, and what you want to do is just literally lay it on top. So you obviously got your foam side here, image side up, and then you just want to place it on the sticky area there. Give it a press down, and then it just comes up nicely, and it's nicely placed for you. So I just thought I might show you that little tip there, because sometimes it can be quite difficult to get them on exactly. So that's the way that I found easiest. I know there's lots of different ways, but yeah, so basically take the protective film off of the stamp, take the protective film off of the cling, and then bring your stamp to the cling. Actually, it was that way, wasn't it? To the cling, so that you can see where the edges are, and then just take it off and it'll have the cling on it for you. Hope that helps you. A little tip there for today. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.